event of Pakistan Single Window, one of the most ambitious, wide-ranging and comprehensive reform initiatives undertaken in the public sector in recent years, that not only intends to facilitate Pakistan international trade, but also aims at accelerating digital transformation of the public sector agencies connected to international trade. The importance of external trade for the growth of any economy cannot be denied. Trade growth has a direct correlation with the growth in GDP and achieving the objective of sustainable and inclusive economic growth for everyone in Pakistan. Our government came to power on the slogan of change and reform and improving the framework of transparency and accountability by leveraging technology for seamless, smart solutions for business and governance. We view the single window as a key tool and enabler for improving governance in all matters connected to cross-border trade and bring about much needed regulatory and procedural reform in the country's cross-border ecosystem. The Pakistan Single Window concept and its framework is the embodiment of this government's vision of deep, meaningful reform impacting all sectors and every aspect of government, promoting trade competitiveness with enhanced transparency and efficiency. I therefore congratulate Pakistan Customs in taking the lead in this very important initiative and for putting in the necessary legal and institutional framework in place that will help develop a state-of-the-art system for taxpayer facilitation. The past 2 years have been difficult for global supply chains as international trade and transportation got affected by the disruptions caused due to the COVID-19 pandemic.